guys. So I just wanted to say right quick before I do something. That I dyed my dog's hair and started from the tape right here. I dyed her hair and her hair was like so crunchy and frizzy and stuff. But you can't hardly see it on camera. But I'm gonna re-dye it right now in a few minutes. Well, not on camera. But I'm gonna re-dye it in a few minutes. I hope you guys can see like she has pink in her hair, like right here in the middle of her part, and like the rest of it right here is like pink. If you can see, it's pink, and the other side. But yeah, and I redid her lips a long time ago. So I just need a little bit of polish remover to get that excess off around because I just put polish on her lips. But anyways, that is my doll. I'm gonna redye her hair in what purple, either purple or blue. I don't know. Probably mix them together. If you mix pink and purple, I don't know. Pink and blue, I don't know. So I'm gonna dye it in a darker color so it can be able to show. I'm probably gonna do it in blue. Because purple's like too dark for her and she doesn't like purple. So I'm probably gonna do it in blue. But she likes pink and blue. So. Yeah. So like her hair was like so frizzy and hard and I was like, what? Her hair is so soft and I just kept going like this to it and all that. And yeah, and this is my black doll. Yeah, see? Right? Yeah, that's me. And I got her hair in two little puffs too. And her hair is already like dyed or whatever. It's right here. Like it came with it. So it's like right here. You can tell she has little things in her hair. Yeah. So that is it and I'll talk to you guys later.